This is 0126 91 and I'm doing my ninth experiment of the lab. In this experiment, I'll be using PHP and connecting it to the SQL database. So, I'm using PHP right now. So, to the header H1, welcome to our page. In this, I'll be creating login page, sign up page, page to change your password if you need to. So, this is HTML. I created a form for a given contact form, enter username, enter password, and submit. This shows this is the main page. On inputting a text name and password, on submitting, you will go to the signup.php. If you need to go to password, you will go to reset.php. That's the first page, and these are the CSS codes I have given to decorate these pages. Next is members.php. This is for members to log in, not sign up. So this is how you connect to the SQL database. You will use MySQLite, SDB server name, username, password, and database name, as mentioned here. If your username and password matches, uh, then you will take the username and password from the PHP page using the post method. First page using the post method. Now, if empty username or password, then it will go back to the index page. Else, it will select all the users from where username is equal to user and password. And if it will check that, and if the password is not equal to no password, then it will give the no user found. Else, it will give welcome and name it as they were taken by the post method. Next is the sign up. What happens is you're making an account, so every detail will be taken in, and it will. This is the HTML design page for that, for the sign up page. Now the logic is here. As you can see, as we used in the previous experiment, we are connecting to the database using this MySQL connect. Now, if there's any empty users, password, email, or pass, it will go back to sign up empty and go back to the sign up page again. Uh, then it validates mail here and connects everything and goes to index for sign up user taken. If everything is there, it will add everything. So select start from where user is equal to user. Now, if if you log in, it will give else password is equal to our password. Then it will give insert into users. All the user details will be inserted into the table, and it will go to location.php sign up is equal to success. And this is the U for the reset, logic for the reset page. In this, all the validation takes place. So in this, it connects to the SQL, checks for the result. If check is 0, if the username and password and email is 0, you get password where and password is a user and password. It replaces the old password with the new password, or else it shows header PHP. Sorry, since the personal details don't match up. So I'll show you the page. As you can see, this is the page. I'll log in now. So I've already created an account, so I don't need to sign up. It should take some time. Ashish. Shows welcome Ashish as the first one page. Now, if I forward the password, If I forgot the password, I can click here. Goes to enter your personal details and change the password. If you ask the username and the email, usually that's what happens. Site when you enter the email, it sends the your password directly to the site. You can only do that if you have registered your email. That's it. Thank you for watching.